first time we are all talking to you.
ഞങ്ങൾ എന്നും പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തണ്ടെന്നുള്ളത് അറിയാം. എന്നാലും വെറുതെ ഒന്ന് പരിചയപ്പെടാം ഒന്നുകൂടി. ഞാൻ ഹരി.
ഞാൻ വിനീത.
ഞാൻ വിഹാൻ.
And this is Vedash.
And we call him Vedu.
Yeah. So in today's vlog we have combined 2 days, that is Friday and Saturday. So hope you all will watch our video and please enjoy it.
Feedbacks are open. You can put your valuable feedbacks in the comment section.
Click the bell.
Bell button.
Please click the bell button so that you get all our notifications.
Watch, share and subscribe. Okay? Stay safe.
And
Take care.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Good morning everyone. Why are Vihan and Vedu dressed up in the morning? Any guesses? I'll tell you. We are going out for breakfast. We understand it's not very safe to go out in this situation, but it's becoming very difficult to stay indoors all the time. So, taking all the necessary precautions, we decided to go out. We are going to a nearby South Indian vegetarian restaurant. You'll find so many South Indians in UAE. ഏത് കടയിൽ പോയാലും അവിടെ ഒരു മലയാളിയെങ്കിലും കാണാണ്ടിരിക്കില്ല. അതാ അവിടെ കണ്ടോ ഒരു ലുലു, അതാണ് WTC മോൾ. Here we are, Sangam restaurant. Looks like we have to wait for some time. Vihan is waiting for his favorite neer roast. He just loves dosha. More than dosha, I was excited about this filter coffee. Finally, we ordered ghee roast and some vadas. Vedu, this is not for you. This is what Vihan was saying. My little cranky boy. He doesn't want to sit. All done. Happy Vihan and happy us, of course. Next we are going to a shop where we get freshly milled wheat flour. A good shop where we can find cold pressed oils and fresh spices and all types of flour. Vihan is not very happy about coming back home. Always please make it a regular practice to immediately wash your hands, change your clothes once you reach home. ഞങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും ഫ്രഷ് ആയിട്ട് ഇപ്പോൾ വരാം കേട്ടോ. We don't usually wake up so early on Fridays, so everyone were feeling very tired and sleepy. പിന്നെ നല്ല നെയ്റോസ് കഴിച്ചിട്ട് മയക്കം. എന്തായാലും ഉറങ്ങിയില്ല. കുറച്ച് നേരം TV കാണാമെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് ഹരി പോയി, പിന്നാലെ വിഹാനും പിന്നെ ഞങ്ങളും. All those who have kids at home can relate to this. We clean, they mess it. Again we clean, the cycle just goes on. See, this is how it happens. For lunch I'm preparing pumpkin dal curry. If you want the recipe, please check out Shama's video. You'll find the link in the description box. Meanwhile, I'll show you the items we purchased from the mill. You want to hear a story from Vihan? Here it is.
No one be afraid of me. I'm a special animal. God has sent me to protect you all. Listen, animals are fed. looking for food. All the animals took care of food. The blue jackal house. The animals realized they are fooled by a jackal. They chased him out of the forest. The moral of the story is we shall not pretend what we are not. Thank you.
Thank you, Eka. Very good next story style. Ihan and Vedu were playing hide and seek, so I just took a small video of it. In the evening, we were going to the mall to get Vihan a haircut. Vihan is dancing to his favorite song these days, Vati Coming. Children are so observant and keen to learn new things. In this age, they should be playing outside, observing, seeing, and learning so many things. It helps them build confidence and also helps their brain development. But our poor children, now they are forced to stay indoors all the time. How frustrating it is for them. It looks so pleasant, isn't it? When I was pregnant with Vedu, we used to come here all the time. We love sitting here. ഇതാണ് എമിറേറ്റ്സ് പോസ്റ്റ്, ഇവിടുത്തെ പോസ്റ്റ് ഓഫീസ്. ആ പോണതാണ് അബുദാബി സിറ്റി ബസ്. And this is Abu Dhabi Mall. പാവം റെസിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് ഫൈനലി he slept. Enjoying his haircut, watching Peppa Pig. Did you all like his haircut? We have been using Mustela soap and Bioderma moisturizer for Vihan since long time. It's very good for dry and sensitive skin. It is not a sponsored video. As a mom of two, I'm just sharing my personal experience. Also, these products were recommended by doctor for Vihan. And now we are using the same for Vedu also. We all were very tired and wanted to sleep early. So, had an early dinner and went to bed soon. Good morning. A new day, a new blessing, a new hope. Harry has gone for cycling, and meanwhile I am doing the laundry. Sometimes Vihan helps me in folding the clothes and keeping them in the wardrobe. My little but big helping hand. While coming back, Hari bought some vegetables. Recently, I started doing meal planning for the whole week. I find that way very helpful. I will share it with you very soon. I was preparing Sevia Upma for breakfast. As Hari was working that Saturday, we didn't have much to show for the rest of the day. So, we are ending our vlog here today. We'll meet you next time. Till then, take care. And please subscribe to our channel. Bye.